Hello and welcome to another update video for the Nasdaq 100. How do I start? There are at least I think two possibilities right now how this phase could resolve here. And the question is now, are we finished in this move to the upside in the 5 of 3 in white? And we do expect this pullback now in the fourth wave, which I was talking about the last time, that sooner or later we should expect at least this fourth wave pullback of this degree here. That could resolve, in my view, at the moment in two ways. And that would say that probably the 5, or that this move to the upside is completed here with a truncation of the fifth wave. Sometimes you get these in these ending diagonals that you don't really have the 5, or that you don't create a new high above the previous third wave high here in this diagonal pattern. That could technically be, or we do expect another C wave to the upside. So that would be our wave A, this would be B, and another C wave to the upside. That could technically happen, that we are still within that fifth wave. So it could be finished here, or we get one more high. And therefore I created these two arrows on the chart. The red one would lead to the scenario that this fifth wave is already finished at these highs here at the moment from our Friday highs. And we come down right now in the fourth wave. Or we have this A, B, C structure to the upside where we do get one more high. This has to be determined. I cannot tell you this, how we open probably. Technically, the 5 could be completed here, and we finish our 3 and our 5 and 3 here, and we get this fourth wave pullback now in white. Afterwards, we should still get one more high in the 5 of our green wave 3 here. That's the question right now. A direct breakout here to the upside is in this dotted arrow. That means it has not the highest probability, but I think at the moment we have to be open for everything here, because this corrective phase here has still not really resolved in my view, but I think the labeling here could be working out pretty nicely. So we have to see if this is playing out. So either we get another high and then sell off in the yellow scenario, or we get already topped here in our 5 and already in the fourth, or we are already in the fourth wave pullback. The targets for this fourth wave pullback at these actual circumstances are between the 38.2 and the 50% retracement level. So in this box here at 22,527 and 22,345. From here, I still do expect another upside, rally to the upside, at least to 23,530 and 50 cents. Okay, this would be the target at the moment for my green wave 3. And afterwards, we still should get another fourth wave correction. That would look something like this. If we get our high from here, then we should get another correction into this target area and then another move to the upside, which should lead us at 25,478 in the bullish scenario, where we then finish our minor wave 1 up here, okay? Please also remember that we have still the possibility that we somehow have to put our B wave up here. Please rewatch my previous videos where I was talking about that scenario as well, where we have a bearish and a bullish scenario right now. The bullish scenario would get the extension in another 4 and another 5. The B wave scenario would at least only get one more high. Okay, that would be then our B wave top here. And this would land into our retracement area, which would be the irregular overshooting B wave target between 23,915 and 24,790. But at the moment, the outlook is at least on the medium term still higher. Depends on how this is resolving here. If we get our pullback directly now in the 4, or we get one more high in blue wave 5 of white wave 3, and then another pullback and another high, and then another pullback and another high. So we now are in the situation where we get our 4 5s and 4 5s. It's typically not a good area to trade. I mean, you can definitely see that when at least we break below our previous swing low here at around 22,843, that we are obviously already in this pullback, okay? Good, I think that's the short update for today. I wish everybody a very successful week from tomorrow on. And yeah, I try to make an update over the week, but yeah, I'm very busy right now, so hopefully I get it done. If not, if you have questions, let me know in the comments. And if you really like the video, just leave a comment, just leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Ciao.